Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am the download driver PIXMA home. You're looking the serial, and this here you type the driver download, and please wait. I am search the official website for you, and this here the official website. Click here. Please wait. Website loading. Okay, this here the official website. PIXMA home. Canon PIXMA home. Okay. First, I am need show you for Windows or for Linux. Click Linux. This here the operating system version. Click here. This here operating system version for Linux. And I am recommendation for you. You download driver package RC. This here the package the driver. And this here the Mac driver. Click here. This is the Mac driver for the you looking the serial. Click here. Select your serial. This serial for Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here the Mac 11.0, and this here the Mac X dot 12 and dot 11. Okay, this here the new driver Mac 12 and Mac 11 new driver for the Mac OS. You looking the release update. This here the new release update. This driver print firmware update for the Mac. This here the software for the Mac and Wi-Fi connect for the Mac and quick menu for the Mac OS operating system. Okay, this here the operating system for the Windows. Select the version. Click here. Select the operating system. Click here. This here operating system for the Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows Vista, Windows XP. Okay, this video I am need download for driver Windows 11. Select your system operation for Windows 11 and please wait for loading. Okay, this here the driver package. Full driver and software download package. This driver package include for the printer, for the scanner, for the Wi-Fi, for the fake. Okay, if driver. Okay, for fake. This here the package driver. If you download driver only, driver only, driver scan only, driver Wi-Fi only. This here is like operating system print only, and driver MP driver only. This here maybe driver scanner, and this here the software update and post late update. This here the Wi-Fi connect driver only, not include for cable USB. This here the driver connect Wi-Fi only. This video yang download driver printer and software package. This here much includes package. I am recommendation for you. You download here, and this here you looking the release update. Okay, click here and please wait with loading. This here the outline the title outline title for your driver Mac driver Windows 11. And this here the system replacement for the Windows 11, not support for Windows XP, not support for Windows Vista. You're looking here the Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, not support for Windows XP. This here the title setup instruction. This here the instruction for tutorial install. This here for the double click the download file. It will be recompress. The setup screen will be display follow the instruction to install the software platform that needs early setting. Okay, this is the information for the fuel type. If you need to download, if you need to download fuel driver, click here. This is the driver. I have read the agree to the terms. Okay, click here button download show. If you not click here button download not show. Okay, click here. This button download show. Click button download. This one driver download. If you didn't install driver for the your printer, you put cable USB. You turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please write the finish driver download. You click run as the driver detect automatic for the cable. If you need install driver for the Wi-Fi, you connect the printer for the Wi-Fi. You're looking at the printer. You run as the driver detect automatic for the IP printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video. Share my video. Support my channel.